Aloe vera has many good effects for plants, has the ability to absorb water and nutrients very well. I will use mature seeds for seedlings. I use aloe vera for growing from seeds. The soil for planting seedlings must be loose and airy. I put the seeds in the aloe plant and put them in a pot of soil to germinate. After planting, I watered to keep the plants moist. I use trash to grow melons. I drilled holes around the container to prevent waterlogging and plant rot. I took a bottle of filtered water, punched a hole in it, put the wick in, and poured water into the bottle to slowly moisten the plant, avoiding waterlogging. The soil for growing young plants needs a lot of nutrients, so I will mix some worm castings into the soil. After preparing the soil, I put rice husks at the bottom of the barrel to avoid waterlogging. Then I poured soil on top. I put the wick next to the tree. After 7 days, the seeds sprouted and I planted them. After planting, I will fill the vase with water. At this time, the wick will slowly release water so that the plant does not get waterlogged. At this stage, the plant has roots. I moisten the soil and fertilize. I spread rice husks on the surface of the soil. Then, I continue to add water to the pot to keep the plant moist. At this stage, I needed to make a trellis for the plant to climb. I used small pieces of bamboo for the trellis. I continue to fertilize to stimulate the plant's energy to produce more flowers and fruit. This is the time when pests and molds invade very quickly. I choose chili mixed with filtered water to spray on the plants. Now that the tree has flowered and fruited, I use the male flowers to pollinate the female flowers to promote fruit production. At this stage, the tree has produced many fruits. It is also time to prune unnecessary old leaves so that nutrients are only focused on the fruit for larger fruit. I continue to add worm castings and water to the plant because at this stage the plant is concentrating nutrients on the fruit, stimulating the fruit to grow larger and produce more fruit. Oh, it was wonderful. After a while, the tree bore a lot of fruit. Now that it's harvest season, let's enjoy the melons we grew. Thank you for visiting my video. Have a nice day. Please subscribe to the channel, leave comments below the video, and visit my channel often. Thank you very much.